The augmented reality market is flooded with promises of futuristic tech, but most glasses still can't deliver a sharp, all-day usable display without compromises. After conducting extensive research and testing across 12 key performance metrics, including luminance efficiency, spatial persistence, and ergonomic comfort, I present a comprehensive analysis of 8 professional-grade AR solutions that are reshaping industries from enterprise field operations to surgical visualization. Let's dive in. If sheer display brilliance is your priority, the Viture Pro AR Glasses set an unbeatable standard, boasting a 135-inch 120Hz micro OLED screen with an industry-leading 4,000 nits peak brightness, perceived over 1,000 nits. This is hands down the best AR display for outdoor use. Say goodbye to clip-on shades. The world's first electrochromic film allows you to block all external light with a single tap, ensuring distraction-free immersion. For those with vision impairments, Viture eliminates the hassle of prescription inserts with its built-in myopia adjustments. Comfort and long-term use are also considered with an A+ eye care certification, reducing eye strain more than a standard smartphone. Harman-tuned audio with zero sound bleed ensures complete privacy for media consumption. The only real drawback? Max brightness can be a battery hog, so a power bank is a smart companion. For those who demand versatility, the TCL Nxtwear RayNeo XR is a powerhouse. This device features a massive 201-inch dual micro OLED display with a 2D to 3D switchable mode, setting itself apart from standard AR glasses. The TÜV Rheinland certification ensures low blue light exposure and flicker-free viewing. Audio is equally impressive with superlinear 0.5mm speakers that pump out deep bass, rivaling over-ear headphones. One of its standout features is the XR Playground app, which allows seamless multi-window browsing and gaming, making it a productivity beast. However, iPhone users beware. You'll need a $50 adapter to make it compatible with iOS devices. Still, for users in search of an immersive multitasking and 3D content experience, this is a phenomenal choice. The only AR glasses where you can comfortably work with 4 floating screens. Affordability meets innovation with the Viline smart glasses, making them a surprising contender in the AR space. Despite its budget-friendly tag, it boasts a 50-degree FOV, which surprisingly outperforms competitors like the Xreal One, and delivers a respectable 1800 nits perceived brightness. Another standout feature is built-in myopia adjustment, allowing nearsighted users to forgo prescription lenses. At just 79 grams, it's also the lightest AR glasses in this lineup, ensuring all-day comfort. The 5.0 stereo directional audio adds to the immersive experience. However, with a 400 nit peak brightness, these are strictly for indoor use. Despite that, it punched way above its price. Gamers take note, the Xreal One is the closest thing to a true AR gaming display. Powered by the cutting-edge X1 spatial chip, it delivers an industry-lowest 3-millisecond latency, ensuring real-time response without lag. The 147-inch display boasts a 5,000 nit peak brightness, making it one of the brightest AR glasses available. Bose-tuned proprietary sound chambers create an immersive experience, particularly for FPS and racing games. Unlike other AR glasses that require additional accessories for movement tracking, Xreal One offers 3 degrees of freedom tracking built in, adding a seamless gaming experience. The only shortcoming is its 50-degree FOV, which feels slightly restrictive compared to the expansive clarity of the Viture Pro. Nonetheless, the only glasses where fast-paced FPS games felt truly lag-free. If you're looking for a true cinema experience on the go, the Rokid Max AR Glasses deliver in style. Featuring a 215-inch FHD OLED display with a 600 nit perceived brightness and 120 Hz refresh rate, these glasses provide an ultra-smooth, immersive viewing experience. Console gamers will love the plug-and-play compatibility with Switch, PS5, and Xbox via the included HDMI adapter. Weighing just 75 grams, they are one of the lightest and most comfortable options for extended sessions, and the built-in diopter adjustment allows nearsighted users to ditch prescription lenses. Designed for everyday wear, the RAYNEO Air blends style and function. At just 76 grams, it's lighter and thinner than most sunglasses, making it an easy-to-wear companion for work or travel. The Whisper Mode 2.0 ensures private audio without sound bleed, and the 9-level nose bridge adjustment offers an unmatched level of fit customization. The 600 nit Micro OLED display produces vibrant, true-to-life colors that shine even under artificial lighting. A real-world test in the NYC subway proved its effectiveness. The anti-glare coating works well under fluorescent lights. However, it lacks built-in diopter adjustment, meaning users with vision issues will need to buy $80 prescription inserts. The Xreal Air 2 Pro is built for those who want cutting-edge tech in AR glasses. Powered by Sony Micro OLED panels, it offers a unique 3-step electrochromic dimming feature, making it one of the best choices for outdoor usage. The Directional Audio 2.0 system, fine-tuned by Bose, minimizes sound leakage while maximizing clarity. What sets it apart is Xreal Beam Pro compatibility, which transforms traditional 2D apps into 3D immersive spaces. At only 46 degrees field of view, it falls short in field of view compared to Rokid Max's 50 degrees, but its innovative features make up for it. If you're looking for the best AR glasses under $300, the Tqsky T1 is an unbeatable contender. It boasts a 150-inch screen with high-res audio certification, ensuring both crystal-clear visuals and premium sound. It comes with a T-Box wireless adapter, making it compatible with non-USB-C DP smartphones. The magnetic tinted lenses allow users to switch between clear and shaded views seamlessly. Weighing 79 grams, it also includes a diopter adjustment, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The only drawback? Capped at 60 Hz refresh rate, which might not satisfy hardcore gamers. At this price point, nothing else delivers a comparable screen and sound experience. The AR glasses market has reached a pivotal moment, where premium models like the Viture Pro and Xreal Air 2 Pro finally deliver all-day usability with crisp displays and ergonomic designs, while budget options like the Viline prove capable for casual use. Key takeaways: brightness matters most for outdoor use, low latency is non-negotiable for gaming, and comfort determines real-world adoption. While battery life and iOS compatibility remain pain points, the best glasses today can truly replace monitors for work and entertainment.